Welcome to our video tutorial on how to turn on Facebook app Playback on your Android device. To begin, open the Settings app on your device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and selecting the gear icon. Next, locate the Apps option within the Settings menu and tap on it. This will display a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list and find the Facebook app. Once you've located it, tap on the app to open the app settings. Within the Facebook app settings, look for the Appear on Top option and tap on it. This setting allows the app to display content over other apps on your device. After tapping on Appear on Top, you will need to turn on the Allow Permission toggle switch. This will grant the Facebook app the necessary permission to display content over other apps. And that's it. You have successfully turned on Facebook app Playback on your Android device. Now you can enjoy watching videos and browsing Facebook without interruption. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.